Max is gonna
try to cross this ice cream.
a little logical game here.
Yep, into here. And this is expert. I didn't want.
That's expert level.
So it is very hard.
For adults.
But I think I could do it.
Okay. Why do you have to go so fast?
What?
Okay, you can do your own pace. Any pace you want.
It's gonna be harder than I thought it.
That's gonna be a tough one.
Yeah. I did it.